everyone, Sean with Rainwater Management Solutions. So first step was backwash filter. Now we're showing you the second step, which is going to be a sediment bag filter. These typically come with a swing bolt on the top with our units. With the swing bolt, what you want to do is they're going to be pretty tight, so you might need to use something for leverage in between it. Start to loosen it, and they should fall on out, just like that. So that last one will hold on to the top. Take it out. And so typically in these, there's going to be a spring inside of there. This spring helps hold the bag down in place. You're going to move that spring out. Then what you'll see inside of there is a screen, just like this. I'm one-handed right now, so I can't really take it out. There we go, got it. And that's actually going to supply support for the bag. The bag will go inside of this and sit around. So what happens is water travels up over, down through here, through the bag, and out towards the bottom there to the next line of filtration. All right, so this is Rainwater Management Solutions here. This is Sean and James. We're actually going to show you how to replace the bag filter. So this is a new bag. What you'll see is we've taken off the top housing here. These are just swing bolts you take off. You'll take that back. There'll be a spring inside of there on top. That helps hold down this stainless steel piece. You'll take that spring out, pull this stainless steel piece out. This is usually the housing. This supports the bag. So James is going to put the bag down in that housing. There you go. He's going to put it back down into the filter housing now.
Another thing to check here is the integrity of this O-ring on the bottom lip, as well as this O-ring.
There you go. Now he's making sure the spring goes on top. That's going to help hold that housing down, hold the filter in place, because water will be coming out the top here and then going out the bottom through here. And your top goes back on.
Again, make sure your O-ring's in that groove. And then also make sure the lid is centered on the housing. Should be pretty much flush all the way around.